Hi there, students. To wreak, okay, a verb, and the adjective wrought. Okay, to wreak means to cause something bad to happen, particularly in the collocation to wreak havoc. So, COVID has wreaked havoc in the way we organize our daily lives. He wanted to find a way to wreak his revenge on me, okay? To cause it to happen, okay? So to wreak, to inflict, to execute punishment, to vent, to unleash. He wreaked his anger on the child, okay? So to cause something bad to happen. Okay, the storm wreaked incredible damage upon the city. He sought some excuse to wreak his hatred upon Tarzan. That's from Edgar Rice Burroughs. Okay, so to wreak, to inflict vengeance or punishment. To bring about damage or destruction, particularly in this phrase, to wreak havoc. Okay, notice this is both a regular or irregular verb, what I call schizophrenic. Wreak, wrought, wrought, or wreak, wreaked, wreaked. Now, wrought we can also use as an adjective, but notice in the past the verb to work, wrought, wrought, although we don't use that anymore. So wrought, fashioned or made with great care or difficulty. So the most collocation here is wrought iron. This is these decorative iron gates and different things like this. The poem has some carefully wrought rhymes, and it has been very well wrought, very well made and put together. Okay. Okay, so yes, the environmental change is being wrought by man slowly or quickly nowadays releasing CO2 into the atmosphere. An accident wrought havoc on the roads. So notice we've got both to cause something that's a disaster, wrought havoc, and this work has been carefully wrought from the base upwards. So wrought here, brought into existence, brought into being. He has wrought his own path in this world. He's made it, he's fought for it, he's carefully made it. This statue has been wrought from stone. Okay, this song contains some carefully wrought lyrics, carefully made, carefully put together. Yeah, her poems are well wrought and very personal. Okay, a carefully wrought plan, put together, created. And then the wrought iron, shaped by hammering with tools, as in our wrought iron. Okay, his plan was particularly well wrought, well put together, well fashioned. Okay, so wrought as a past participle or as an adjective has two different types of meaning. But wreak, to cause something bad to happen, to wreak havoc particularly, to wreak damage, to wreak vengeance. Whereas carefully wrought out of the base materials. This was he has this statue has been wrought out of wood and stone and precious gems. Yeah, these lines are very well wrought. He has wrought his own future, made and created. Okay, and that's effectively Wreak and Wrought. Remember, Wrought being both the past participle of Wreak and the old-fashioned past participle of work. Let's see. To wreak havoc, this is a collocation. I'd probably give it 5.5 in formality. You could use it just about anywhere. The storm has wreaked damage, maybe 6 in formality. He wreaked his vengeance on me. That's probably getting up to 7 or 6.5 in formality. And then wrought iron, 5 in formality. He has, this plan was carefully wrought, 6.57 in formality, I think carefully made. Okay, so what about some origins? Well, the wreak comes from Old English recan, meaning to take revenge, or to take your anger out on somebody, or to punish somebody, which comes from Proto-Germanic recana, or Proto-Indo-European reg, to push, to shove, to drive. And then work. Well, the wrought meaning of work actually comes from worken, yeah, Rycan, Old English, and the root is obviously different. Notice as well, we have this word a wright, W-R-I-G-H-T, somebody who makes things, as in, for example, a wheelwright makes wheels, or a cartwright makes carts. So it's somebody who makes things, and here you've got the idea of work. So I think that's probably it. If you enjoyed the video and think it's well wrought, give me a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Wreak, wrought, wrought, and then wrought, as in past participle of work or an adjective. Bye for now.